Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. It is Saturday the 19th of January. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Don't forget we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen and by you coming back to the site, so thank you for doing that. And there's more than one Weatherwolf here at weatherweb.net. This is Buster, one of our forecasters' jobs, out in the snow yesterday. Really enjoyed himself, isn't he? But on to the serious business of snowfall, and we need to start watching for another area of snow to come northwards through the country during the course of Sunday. And it's all associated with this area of low pressure that you can see just off southeast England there. This is going to be tracking its way northwards during the course of the day on Sunday afternoon. And then we've got another area of low pressure that we need to be thinking about out towards the west here that produces the risk of some snowfall across western parts of the country during Monday. And this is the snow prediction from Weather Online. It's from the GFS model for Sunday morning up to midday. And you see where these three stars are here in a triangle. That's continuous moderate snow. The other singular stars is just light snow, but this is the main area that we're concentrating on. You can see that getting into southeast England by midday. Then, as the low tracks its way northwards during the course of the afternoon on Sunday, this chart is for 6 o'clock on Sunday evening, we find the main area of snow moving northwards with it too, and by then it's forecast to be within this sort of zone. The westward extent of the snow causes one or two questions just at the moment. It could be a little bit further westwards, but the idea of that area of more persistent snow tracking up those eastern areas is certainly accepted for now, and probably going in with an 80 to 90% confidence level. Then by midnight on Sunday running into Monday, the low is here getting into the Wash area, and you can see the main area of precipitation associated with it moving away up towards the northeast as well. So by the end of Sunday, this is how much snow we're thinking there's going to be. We're looking at up to 8 centimetres falling over the hills across East Anglia and South East England, and if you are planning on travelling tomorrow afternoon, you do need to take extreme caution within that area. That means taking shovels in cars, taking drinks, taking food, taking warm clothing, because it could be a situation that catches people out, particularly once we get moderate falls of snow coming down. It could put significant totals down quite quickly. You see we're unclear here of the western extent of the snow, but generally 2 to 4 centimetres on top of what's already lying in that area. And as the area of snow moves up into northeast England, so we're going to find an additional 2 to 4 centimetres overnight, up to 6 centimetres on the hills. And then Monday becomes the main risk, because by Monday at midday we find another area of low pressure forming across southern parts of England, and this area of precipitation you can see in here is going to be falling as snow moving into the Midlands, southern parts of Wales, central southern England, although down over the far south of England it's more likely to be falling as rain. And by the end of Monday, you see that low has tracked very, very slowly further northwards, but it's still bringing this area of snow across Wales and across the Midlands, bringing fresh accumulations here. And we've still got the area of snow that's moved northeastwards through northeast England, moved northwards into northeast England and into eastern Scotland, with further snow falling there. And by the end of Monday, these are the total accumulations expected from the GFS model. Now, you do have to bear in mind that the GFS does tend to overplay the snowfall a little bit, but this is where it's seeing things at the moment. The main area of snow look through these sort of central parts of England and Wales, running up into the north of England too, and it's got totals of somewhere between 10 and 20 centimetres across much of central and western parts of England, similar for northern and eastern parts of England and for the central parts of Scotland too. So it could be that we're in for quite a significant event, and also worth noting too, this area of snow across the southern half of Ireland could be lying snow there as well, particularly across the high ground by the close of play on Monday. So certainly some eventful weather to be coming. We're not out of the woods yet as far as the wintry weather is concerned. Some signs of warming up though at the end of the week, and as I said, we might get a little bit of milder air just nudging onto the far south of England during Monday evening. But this is a developing situation, so please do keep watching weatherweb.net. We'll keep you totally up to date. You can follow us on Twitter at Weather School, or do a search on Facebook for Weather School and follow us on there as well. But for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget we're kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen. So when you use an advert, go through to an advert, it'll come back and use the site. That's what generates the revenue that keeps us free of charge. So thanks for watching weatherweb.net, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.